80% rule. Eat mindfully and stop when you're 80% full. This one's a hard one for me.
I challenge you to find one person in the United States of America for whom this even makes sense. Really. That, of course, originates in Japan, where it's a way of life.
Mm.
And so we talk about mindful eating. We've talked about that a fair amount. And because of the fact that most of us are not even fully conscious of what we're eating, never mind how we're feeling as we're eating, meaning the sensations of our body as we're eating. We don't notice the textures of the food in our mouth, the full-bodied flavor. We don't notice it going down. I go through the whole alimentary tract when I teach these classes as a metaphor, and they're real physiologically. We don't notice it going down. We don't notice the sensation in our middle when we're getting satiated. So I think of the 80% rule as being satiated, meaning satisfied and not yet stuffed.
Mm-hmm.
And because most of us don't notice until we're starting to get uncomfortable, if we notice at all. A lot of times we don't notice until we're already done. We try to get up.
I only notice if I make myself notice. I don't naturally do it. Because of this rule, this is what makes me do it.
Makes you pay attention.
For sure.
But again, some of this recognition is inviting us to open up to different recognitions. And basic mindfulness is really the key. It's the linchpin of all of these things that we talk about. So if we are noticing the sensations, we notice when I'm satisfied, stop. And if you notice actually what's left on the plate, you can start to choose in the future how much to put on the plate in the first place. Because we kind of have a habit of that too.
Mm-hmm.
Especially if we're talking and multitasking and we're just dumping things on. So 80% means be satiated. And notice that and stop before you're full.
I think that's perfect. Thank you.